getting ready for our leaders meeting. Very exciting. And we're talking about how leadership is very similar to being a superhero. So Enrico here, my co-Spider-Man, is the CDSI Spider-Man support system, and we support everybody. So we're excited.
Cheers.
Can't wait to get started. Cheers.
Semua waktu dan kesempatan kita berikan kepada Spider-Man akan kita tentang kepemimpinan. Silakan.
Apa kabar semua? Okay. Alright. You're probably wondering why we're dressing these ridiculous outfits.
Ya, jadi banyak yang bingung ya katanya kenapa bisa muncul Spider-Man seperti ini nih.
Who likes Spider-Man?
Siapa yang suka Spider-Man angkat tangan?
Hey! Who's your favorite superhero?
Superhero favorit kalian siapa?
Spider-Man! Bukan Spider-Man, CDSI Spider-Man.
Bukan Spider-Man doang, tapi Spider-Man CDSI. Just
We did a meeting
ke situ aja.
a few weeks ago in Makassar, a leaders meeting.
Jadi beberapa waktu yang lalu ada leaders meeting Makassar.
And unfortunately I couldn't be at that meeting, so we elected to do the superhero meeting over Zoom.
Ya, jadi kebetulan sangat disayangkan Troy tidak bisa hadir. Troy tidak bisa hadir waktu itu di Makassar. Jadi waktu itu topiknya Troy bawakan tentang superhero. Tapi
for Jawa Tengah,
untuk Jawa Tengah,
we thought we had to do it in real.
Spider-Man yang asli yang datang ke Jawa Tengah.
Okay, so let's talk about. It's really hard to see.
Agak susah matanya kalau pakai
So,
close.
Spider-Man bisa duduk kita?
Oh, boleh duduk, boleh duduk.
boleh duduk.
Silakan duduk.
Boleh duduk. You know, you guys in the room
Kalian semua yang ada di ruangan ini
have all been picked, or you're at a level in the company where you consider yourself leaders. You're at leadership.
ya, kalian semua posisinya di posisi leader ya, leadership ya.
Betul.
Itu.
And everybody here is at different levels.
Dan mungkin tingkatannya agak sedikit berbeda-beda dari masing-masing kalian.
Who became a leader just in the last week? Who's been a leader no longer than Satu Minggu?
Siapa yang baru menjadi leader kurang dari 1 minggu? Angkat tangan. Ada yang kurang dari 1 minggu? Angkat yang tinggi. Yang tinggi.
Kurang 2 minggu.
Kurang dari 2 minggu? Angkat tangan yang tinggi.
Spider-Man is watching.
Spider-Man mau lihat nih katanya. Siapa aja yang
3 minggu, kurang 3 minggu.
yang kurang dari 3 minggu bergabung di bisnis ini, angkat tangan.
Okay.
Oke.
Alright. So how I look at leadership, I think sometimes people think they need to know a lot. They need to have a lot of theory in order to be a good leader. They think leaders are smart. Leaders are smart, aren't they? I guess. We're dressed in silly costumes, but we're sometimes smart. And people sometimes think leadership is about smartness.
Yeah.
It's about intellect.
Ya, jadi kadangkala orang berpikir, wah untuk jadi leader harus pintar ya.
Yeah? A lot of people think they see on the TV, they see the president of Indonesia, they see leaders talking on the TV, and they think, geez, they must be smart.
Ya, jadi banyak leader atau pemimpin di TV kita lihat, waduh, kayaknya mesti orang pintar ini, ya.
But I don't believe that to be true.
Tapi sebenarnya tidak juga.
I think a great
leader yang baik,
it's really hard, I've got to, hang on, just put that down there. A great
leader yang baik
is about emotion and action.
adalah tentang tindakan dan emosi.
Okay, I believe it's 95% emotion and action.
Menurut Spider-Man katanya 95% itu tindakan dan emosi.
And 5%
dan hanya 5%
the theory.
Itu teori.
Right? Because why people will follow you and why you're going to build your team, it's because of the actions. It's the things you do every single day, right?
Jadi kenapa orang mau ikut dengan kalian adalah karena apa yang kalian lakukan keseharian, betul nggak?
Right? It's the emotion. It's how you talk to other people. It's how you act in front of other people. It's your passion towards what you do is what a leader is about.
Jadi tentang passion kita, tentang hasrat kita, tentang apa yang kita lakukan kesehariannya, itu yang membuat orang lain ikut dengan kita ya. Bergabung ya.
Okay. Alright, let's move on. Whoop, I'll move back. Been told by my Spider-Man support system here. Is that better?
Okay.
Alright.
Nindi, oke. Di kameranya.
Like I said, you don't have to be real smart to be a leader. You just need to be able to dress up in Spider-Man costumes.
Jadi katanya nggak perlu harus pintar untuk jadi leader. Yang penting bisa berani pakai baju kostum aja katanya.
Okay. All right, let's move on. We talked about leadership being action. You know, a lot of people like to think they're a leader and they do a lot of talking. You know, in our business, I've seen people in the business that do a lot of talking just because they're a leader.
Ya, jadi leadership itu mengenai aksi ya, tindakan kita, bukan banyak bicaranya, ya. Kebanyakan leader lebih banyak berbicara.
So what does that mean? Yes, you've got to do your crew meetings and you've got to do your talks and your little impacts in the morning with your team.
Betul, kalian harus melakukan crew meeting dengan tim kalian setiap harinya, setiap paginya.
Right, but what's going to really inspire your team is not that little pep talk in the morning.
Tapi apa yang menginspirasi tim kalian atau kru kalian adalah bukan hanya pembicaraan pagi hari saja.
What could you do that day that's really going to inspire your team?
Hasil kalian hari itu yang menginspirasi tim kalian atau kru kalian.
What's the best thing you could do each day to inspire your team?
Apa yang terbaik yang kalian bisa lakukan setiap hari itu yang memotivasi kru kalian.
Apa? What is it? What is it?
Jadi apa? Jadi apa yang memotivasi? Hasilnya apa? Hah? Ring the bell?
Ring the bell!
Ring the bell!
Ring the bell!
Ring the bell!
Press the gong! That's the best thing you could do for your team every day.
Jadi itu yang terbaik yang bisa kalian lakukan untuk tim kalian setiap harinya.
You know, it's getting back to the office, and if you've rang the bell and one of your team members is just short of the bell, it's grabbing that team member, taking them back on the field and doing the extra mile, right?
Yep. Jadi kalau apa yang kita lakukan pada saat sore hari kita kembali dari lapangan dan kita bunyikan bel itu, kita lihat juga di kantor itu ada tim kita yang kurang sedikit lagi untuk ring the bell, kita ajak extra mile sama-sama. Siapa yang pernah lakukan itu? Angkat yang tinggi.
Not everybody. Okay, a lot of honest
belum
people.
Semua ya, belum semua orang
okay,
ya.
But that's great. A lot of honest people, but that's one of the best things you could do.
Jadi itu salah satu aksi atau tindakan yang kita bisa ajarkan pada tim kita.
Maybe your leader didn't do that for you.
Mungkin leader kalian tidak lakukan itu pada kalian waktu dulunya.
But I can tell you, one of the best things that ever happened to me when I was on the field, one day I came back, we went out in the field, jumped Sendilam Pagi, kembali di kantor jump Tujuh Tiga Puluh, because I was trying so hard to ring the bell. right?
Ya, jadi ini yang leadernya Spider-Man lakukan dulu waktu dia gabung di bisnis ini adalah waktu itu dia jam 9 pagi sudah ke lapangan dan jam 7.30 malam kembali dari lapangan masih belum sampai untuk bel.
Okay.
Dan dia udah bekerja sangat
I was
keras.
trying hard, but it was getting late, and it was time to come back to the office. And my trainer said, my leader said, "How's your day?"
Lalu begitu kembali dari lapangan, leadernya tanya, "Gimana hari ini kamu?"
And I said, "Oh, I'm just because the bell for me was $300 for that day."
Jadi belnya itu waktu itu adalah $300 ya.
It was in dollar.
Omsetnya.
And I was on $272 so far. I had $28 more to ring the bell.
Ya, jadi dia barusan $272, kurang $28 lagi untuk bunyikan bel.
And I came back and my leader said, "We're going to go out there and we're going to smash that bell." My leader took me by the hand, took me back out the office, and now was jam 7:45. We hit the field and we didn't stop until we rang the bell.
Ya, dan leadernya bilang, kita keluar lagi sama-sama sekarang juga. Waktu itu udah 7.45 ya, jam 19.45 malam. Dan kita mau pastikan hari ini kamu harus pukul bel itu. Dan mereka bersama-sama ke lapangan lagi dan kerja lagi untuk extra mile dan
How did that make me feel?
dan kembali dengan bunyikan bel. Apa yang hasilnya buat dia? Apa hasilnya buat dia?
How would that make
Waktu leadernya seperti itu.
How would that make your guy on the field fit?
Apa rasanya dia?
If they were just short of the bell.
Bangga ya?
Right.
Very proud.
Very proud. Also, it's a good reason for them to want to stay around and follow you.
Ya, dan itu juga salah satu alasan supaya orang tersebut mau ikut dengan kalian terus.
You want to follow people that have got your back.
Ya. Kalian pasti mau ikut dengan orang yang mendukung kalian, betul nggak?
That are there to pull you up when you fall down.
Kalian pasti akan mau ikut dengan orang yang pada saat kita jatuh, dia akan bantu kita untuk bangkit, betul nggak?
They're there, you guide them, good leaders, help their team, help other people get to the next level.
Jadi leaders yang baik adalah orang yang mampu membimbing sampai dia ke posisi yang lebih baik.
And one of the best ways you can do that is the field.
Dan salah satu cara yang terbaik yang kita bisa lakukan sebagai leader itu adalah mengajarkan di lapangan.
I know it's hard. The field is hard. It's not easy.
Kita semua tahu bahwa kerjaan di lapangan itu bukan hal yang mudah.
It's not something I went, yeah, can't wait to go on the field today.
Bukan sesuatu yang kita, yes, kita mau banget gitu ke lapangan, bukan kan?
I never said that. But the field was a tool.
Tapi di lapangan itu adalah alat.
It was a tool to build my career, to launch my career.
Alat untuk membangun karir kita.
Just for that? Okay. And that's your tool. It's a
Dan
very
itu
important
alat
tool.
kita bersama.
And remember, we are in the sales business. You make money based on sales.
Yeah.
You make money as a leader based on sales.
Dan ingat, kita semua ada di business sales. Jadi semua based on sales ya.
Cool? Cool? Cool.
Berdasarkan dari
So
penjualan.
remember that when your team's falling down a little bit, be there. Pick them up.
Jadi ingat, pada saat tim kalian sedang jatuh, kalian harus bantu untuk bangkitkan kembali. Ada di sana untuk bangkitkan
Okay.
kembali.
Leadership. Thank you. Are we okay? Yes. Are we all right? Okay. All right. Okay. Good. Just want to check. Okay. You probably hear that superheroes have great responsibility.
Ya, kalian juga pasti tahu kan kalau superhero itu punya tanggung jawab yang besar.
Okay. Superheroes have great responsibility because they have great power.
Superhero itu punya tanggung jawab yang besar karena dia punya super power.
Right? They have great power.
Mereka punya power yang hebat, kekuatan yang hebat.
They're able to, change and help the destiny of many people and situations around them.
Mereka bisa membantu merubah hidup orang banyak.
No different to you guys.
tidak berbeda dengan kalian semua yang duduk di ruangan ini.
Good. So, as a leader,
Sebagai seorang leader,
you have a great responsibility.
kita punya tanggung jawab yang besar.
You really do. Not just to your team,
Bukan hanya kepada tim kita saja,
but to your friends.
tapi kepada teman kita juga.
Your friends are going to be with you for the rest of your life.
Teman kita
Good
pasti
friends.
akan bersama, teman baik kita pasti akan bersama-sama dengan kita terus.
And if you choose the right friends,
Dan kalau kita memilih teman yang benar,
they're going to be there to support you in your journey.
mereka pasti akan mendukung kalian sepanjang perjalanan karir kalian
To success.
untuk sampai sukses.
All right. So be a leader. Be there to help your friends. Be there to support your friends in whatever journey they choose to go on. Be there for your friends.
Jadi tetap berada di sana untuk teman kalian, ya. Selalu berada.
The costume's starting to block his ears. He can't see properly. It's okay, Enrico. It's okay.
Kurang oksigen. Kupingnya jadi bolot.
Sebelum kita masuk, Enrico bilang saya, oh bos, can't breathe. Buddy. So if you see Enrico starts to come here and put your arms out, save him, will ya? Save him for me.
Kalau saya udah mulai limbung, udah mulai goyang, katanya tolong ada yang bantu papa saya.
Okay. So leadership is a responsibility not just to your team, but to your friends, to your good friends. The friends that mean something, that are meaningful, that you want to be with down that journey, that you want to be there to help them go down their journey.
Ya, leadership itu juga punya tanggung jawab terhadap teman, ya. Jadi sepanjang perjalanan kita di karir kita juga harus membantu dengan teman-teman itu.
And obviously your team.
Dan juga otomatis tim kita.
Right? It's very important.
Sangat penting.
Too many people become a leader
Banyak orang yang menjadi leader,
and they bicara aja. Right? Not a good example, just bicara aja. Do as I say, not as I do.
jadi hanya bicara aja katanya.
Do as I say,
Lakukan seperti yang saya katakan,
bukan what I do. Don't do what I do, do
tapi
as I
jangan
say.
lakukan seperti yang saya lakukan katanya.
That's not a good leader.
Itu bukan leader yang baik katanya.
But there's a lot of people,
Banyak orang yang melakukan seperti itu.
and that's how they try
Yeah.
to build their business.
Mereka mencoba membangun bisnisnya seperti itu.
Don't be that person.
Jangan seperti itu katanya.
Okay? So family.
Kemudian keluarga.
Family very important.
Keluarga sangat penting.
And one thing I learned living in Indonesia for now 26 years that I've lived here, one of the things that I've noticed that family to Indonesians are probably more important than anything else, more so than any other culture I've seen.
Ya, jadi selama dia berada di Indonesia 26 tahun, dia merasakan bahwa orang-orang Indonesia tuh sangat care sama keluarga. Jauh daripada negara-negara yang lain katanya.
It's one of the things I love about this country. It's one of the things that inspired me to want to live here for the rest of my life.
Salah satu yang menginspirasi dia untuk tinggal selamanya di Indonesia adalah
It's just how much family means to you and the values.
mereka benar-benar menghargai keluarga itu.
So I don't need to talk much about that one.
Ya, jadi tidak perlu harus dibahas, kalian memang sudah melakukannya dengan baik.
You guys have been teaching me how I should deal with family.
Untuk yang family atau keluarga ini, bahkan kalian yang lebih banyak mengajarkan pada dia.
You've made me have a better family.
Yeah.
Thanks. All right. Next, community.
Komunitas.
You know, being an example in your community.
Jadi kita menjadi contoh yang baik di komunitas kita.
You know, you just can't be a leader at work. You're a leader 24 hours a day.
Ya, kita leader itu bukan hanya di tempat kerjaan saja, tapi leader itu 24 jam.
A real leader
Leader yang sejati
is people that want to make a change.
adalah orang yang ingin membuat suatu perubahan yang baik.
Not just to make the do it, not just to make the money.
Bukan hanya untuk menghasilkan uang saja,
But being a great leader will make you a lot of money.
Ya, menjadi leader yang baik udah pasti hasilnya uangnya pasti lebih baik, lebih banyak.
But
Tapi
being a
juga
great leader is more than just money.
menjadi leader yang baik bukan hanya karena alasan uang saja.
It's giving back to the community. It's being there for everybody. It's helping everybody. As
Jadi
much as you
membantu
can.
juga komunitas. Balikan lagi ke komunitas kalian yang ada di sana.
You know, it's making sure that you're there. It could be a stranger, somebody you don't know. Give people supporting words.
Ya, pastikan bahwa di komunitas kalian kalian bisa support sesuatu, ya.
You know, we were in a leaders meeting in Surabaya, I think a few months ago, Pak Emrullah, and we were asking some of the little changes that people could make, and the cameraman at Surabaya, he put his hand up and he said, one of the small changes that can make a difference in your life, he turned around and said, just say hello to everybody. Say hello to the satpam. Say hello to the taxi driver. Say hello to people. Acknowledge other people. And you know what? Those words were so important to me. Oh, that's pretty cool. Move that body. Okay, cool.
Jadi satu hal waktu itu di meeting di Surabaya ya, leaders meeting atau owners meeting seperti itu. Lalu kita tanya apa yang bisa kita lakukan dengan perubahan kecil, apa yang kita lakukan. Tiba-tiba kameramennya angkat tangan dan dia jawab, menyapa halo atau selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam kepada setiap orang yang kita temui. Ya, perubahan kecil yang sedikit saja yang kita lakukan itu membuat efek yang besar sekali.
Yeah, you can make an effect or change or make someone's day better by just smiling at that one person.
Dengan kita membuat perubahan kecil atau sapaan selamat pagi atau halo, selamat siang, itu bisa membuat dampak yang luar biasa pada orang-orang yang kita temui hari itu. Ya.
You know, it's important.
Sangat penting.
Be positive to everybody. Make a change. Make a positive change. Be a positive change in everybody's life that you come in contact with.
Ya, menjadi efek yang positif pada setiap orang yang kita temui. Ya.
Juice. Okay. All right. Leadership is being takut. It's being scared.
Ya, leadership kadang-kadang membuat kita merasa takut ya.
Who's ever been scared as a leader?
Siapa yang sebagai leader pertama kali merasa takut? Angkat tangan. Yang tinggi. Nggak kelihatan ini.
If you haven't been scared, you haven't been a leader.
Karena kalau belum merasa takut, belum jadi leader yang benar katanya.
Right? Leadership is about being scared all the time.
Ya, menjadi seorang pemimpin itu kadang-kala membuat perasaan kita jadi takut setiap saat kadang-kadang.
What makes you a leader?
Apa yang membuat kita menjadi seorang leader?
Is remember,
Adalah ingat bahwa
good leader
yang
has
baik
good
adalah harus
action. Good leaders act in a positive manner. They have good.
Leader yang baik harus punya manner yang positif juga.
So
Tindakan yang positif.
What inspires others is the actions you take.
Apa yang menginspirasi orang banyak adalah aksi yang kita lakukan, tindakan yang kita lakukan.
And those acts,
dan tindakan itu,
a lot of those acts sometimes takes courage.
Kadang butuh satu keberanian.
Takes courage to do it. Not easy to do
Butuh
it.
nyali.
Takes courage.
Ya, butuh nyali.
Right? And most people are scared.
Kadang-kala kita merasa takut.
So they don't do it. They don't have the courage.
Karena belum ada nyali yang besar.
The courage to face and run towards their fear.
Nyali untuk mengalahkan rasa takut itu.
And that's leadership.
Dan itu leadership.
You know, leadership, I remember one of the first things that scared me as a leader in the office was getting up the front of the room to do a talk.
Salah satu yang waktu itu membuat dia takut adalah pada saat dia menjadi leader dan harus berbicara di depan orang banyak atau timnya.
Have to be a leader. You think, oh shit, I'm scared. My heart's pumping. Oh, will I say the right words? Will I remember my impact? All these things go through your head.
Duh, takut benar katanya menghadapi orang banyak, ngomong apa yang saya mesti katakan, jantung kayaknya deg-degan, takut lupa apa yang mesti disampaikan, impact yang tadi dipersiapkan takut lupa, ada yang ketinggalan, dibicarakan.
Public speaking. Who is scared of that?
Siapa yang merasa takut seperti itu awalnya?
Public speaking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Public speaking ya, bicara di depan orang ya.
Semua ya, semua.
Di depan orang banyak ya.
Statistics actually show that people are more scared of public speaking than dying.
Oh ya.
Betul.
Katanya secara statistik ternyata katanya lebih banyak orang yang takut untuk bicara di depan orang banyak daripada kematian.
True.
Lebih takut ngomong di depan orang banyak katanya daripada mati.
Right. Okay. So, CDSI being a leader, in our organisation, that's a fear that everybody in this room, we need to face that fear.
Ya, jadi kita harus bisa menghadapi rasa takut kita. Ya.
Right. Okay. So, I was scared, so scared my first impact.
Ya. Dia waktu impact pertamanya dia sangat-sangat ketakutan sekali pada saat suruh bicara di depan orang banyak.
Scared of making a fool of myself in front of other people.
Takut membuat satu tindakan bodoh pada saat di depan.
Now I wear Spider-Man suits in the airplane and run meetings with a Spider-Man suit on.
Nah, sekarang dia cuek-cuek aja. Kita kemarin naik pesawat pakai pakaian Spider-Man. Kita di airport.
Yeah, the airport.
Di airport pakai di ruang tunggu kita sudah pakai baju Spider-Man. Bahkan mimpin meeting depan orang banyak pakai kostum Spider-Man, cuek aja ya, udah nggak punya rasa takut.
Saya tidak peduli. I don't care. In fact,
bahkan
by wearing the outfit,
dengan memakai kostum ini,
everybody was smiling.
semua orang terhibur, betul nggak?
So it made a change, a positive change, right?
Jadi membuat perubahan di hidup banyak orang.
And
ya.
believe me, when you face your fears,
Dan percaya, begitu kalian bisa menghadapi rasa takut kalian,
people don't laugh at you.
mereka nggak akan
They never do.
mentertawakan kalian lagi.
People are inspired by you.
Mereka akan terinspirasi dengan kalian.
Okay, so don't be scared,
Jadi jangan takut.
right? Even if you mess it up,
Bahkan mungkin pada awal kalian berantakan,
your first impact or your first meeting, your first public talk probably won't be so good.
impact pertama kalian mungkin masih grogi, masih gemetaran, masih lupa, masih ya.
Probably not that good.
Ya.
But guess what? I've never seen somebody do public speaking the first time really well. Nobody does.
Ya. Tapi Toy mau kasih tahu rahasianya katanya. Dia bilang tidak ada satu orang pun yang impact pertamanya bagus.
But the fact that that person's up there facing their fear, you see those people, you see that person, you go, that's the first time they're public speaking. Ooh, they look really nervous. But the fact that they're doing it inspires you, doesn't make you laugh.
Ya.
Yeah?
Jadi bahkan kalau kita lihat ada orang, ini orang impact pertamanya dia gemeteran nih, kelihatan groginya katanya. Tapi dia berani juga maju. Justru bahkan bukan membuat kalian mentertawakan dia, tapi kalian terinspirasi dengan itu. Karena kalian tahu bahwa dia takut, tapi dia masih berani untuk menghadapi rasa takutnya.
Okay. Beautiful, eh? Sensational, eh? Isn't that sensational?
Ini luar biasa, coba. Luar biasa nggak katanya? Leadership atau kepemimpinan tidak terpengaruh dengan?
Because in times of crisis,
Karena di masa krisis,
tragedies,
tragedi,
bad things happening,
hal buruk terjadi.
the world needs leaders.
Negara dunia butuh pemimpin.
That's when they need you most.
Justru di masa-masa itu butuh lebih banyak pemimpin.
Just by that.
Cus!
And I guess, even our business, since the beginning of COVID to now, the COVID affected us at the beginning. It made sales, it made the business go down. Yes.
Ya, jadi pada awal mula COVID memang ada sedikit efek dengan bisnis kita, ya, bisnis sedikit menurun.
But what do leaders do?
Tapi kemudian apa yang pemimpin itu lakukan?
Pak Amrullah went back to the drawing board, started redoing how we do our meetings, how we're going to do our leaders meetings, how we're going to do our owners meetings, redoing the content, restructuring the way we do things, getting on Zoom, having a WhatsApp group, started changing the way he did business and being a leader.
Pak Amrullah duduk berpikir bagaimana cara merubah konsep baru, bikin meeting, leaders meeting, owners meeting, bikin struktur baru supaya menjadi semuanya lebih baik.
And guess what?
Dan coba tebak apa yang terjadi?
Leaders adapt
Leadersnya itu mengadaptasi itu,
and then they charge forward. Yeah?
lalu mereka bersama-sama bisa maju ke depan.
And that's what's happened. This one.
Dan itu yang terjadi.
So we've dropped at the beginning of COVID,
Jadi pada awal COVID memang kita ada penurunan,
but now we're doing this. We're climbing. We're charging.
tapi justru sekarang ini kita meningkat dan meningkat.
And we will continue to charge.
Dan kita akan terus meningkat.
That's better man.
They say sometimes silence is good, yeah? It's like,
Kadang kesunyian itu baik, itu bagus.
almost like, well, the guy that's sitting in the back of the room was like, oh. All of a sudden he's gone. Silence is good sometimes.
Sunyi itu kadang baik katanya.
Anticipation.
Antisipasi buat orang yang ngantuk. Jadi kaget katanya, kok tiba-tiba diam katanya tadi langsung bangun.
Superheroes don't always have to talk, yeah?
Ya,
Tidak bisa tidur.
Betul. Betul.
tidak pernah tidur, right?
Now, just to finish off, I want to explain. We'll go back at a couple of slides. Make sure I get this right. Let's go back to this guy. Oh, look at that guy. Fantastic. Spider-Man, the CDSI Spider-Man, what that represents is when you are going through those difficult times, take a leap of faith. Jump into your fear and know that as a company, we're always going to have your back.
Ya, jadi CDSI Spider-Man ya. Jadi pada saat kita mengalami kesulitan, pada saat kita mengalami kejatuhan, jangan takut. Kita selalu ada support di belakang kalian. Untuk itu.
Always. Always.
Selalu.
That's who we are.
Itu adalah kita.
That's why we're the biggest offline direct selling company in Indonesia.
Makanya itu kita adalah offline direct selling perusahaan offline direct selling terbesar di Indonesia.
Right? So many other people, other companies, they talk leadership, they talk it.
Ya, kebanyakan di luar sana mereka bicara tentang leadership.
We don't talk.
Kita tidak banyak bicara
We do.
tentang leadership,
We
tapi
do it.
kita tunjukkan,
We
kita
support
bekerja,
each other.
kita mensupport setiap
We're a
kalian
team.
semua. Kita satu tim.
And you're there to pull your teammates up all the time.
Dan kita akan selalu dukung tim kita setiap saat.
And if we make that our value, we make that the number one priority,
Dan itu yang menjadi prioritas kita bersama.
why would you be scared of being knocked down? You know, you've got your buddy to pull you back up again.
Kalau itu yang jadi prioritas kita bersama, kenapa kalian takut untuk jatuh?